In this video, I will show you how to turn on automatic updates in Steam. First, open the Steam desktop app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click Steam in the top left corner of the window. Then select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the menu on the left. If you have one or more games installed, you'll see the Schedule Auto Updates option in this section. If you don't have any installed games yet, this option won't appear until you install a game from your Steam library. Once the option is available, enable Schedule Auto Updates to allow Steam to automatically update your installed games. You can also set a preferred time window for updates. Choose the start and end times when Steam is allowed to download updates. For example, you can schedule updates overnight if you don't want it to interrupt your gameplay during the day. Additionally, if you want a specific game to always update automatically, open your Steam library, right-click the game, select Properties, go to Updates tab and set Automatic Updates to always keep this game updated. Once your settings are saved, Steam will automatically update your installed games based on your preferences. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.